everyone. So I do want to warn you, this entire video is going to be filmed on my phone. But today's a beautiful day. Hello, can you please not be an idiot? Thank you. So today I got up and I was just feeling like I wanted to get out of the house. I didn't want to be home. So I wanted to go on an adventure and just live my life. I'm off today and tomorrow from work. So I figured today I will just party hard, man. I got a message from my beautiful friend Emily and she said, Rachel, we should go kayaking. I said, Emily, let's go right now. So she's at work and she gets off later in the afternoon. So then she's gonna come to my house and we're gonna go. Very excited. I'm gonna bring you with me. It's gonna be a good day. So yeah.
Oscar walked in and farted and it lightened the mood.
That would lighten the mood.
Disgusting!
Well, I told you about after my honeymoon.
It's a thing.
Sure, we'll come by and get it. No, they didn't put it in my house and make it all nice for me. No. We pulled up in the driveway and my stuff was on the porch.
That is really rude.
And my bedroom was already a sewing room.
Yeah. Well, we didn't mean to infringe on your day.
Darn you for infringing.
I've been cleaning. But he was coming across the jungle gym and his hand slipped, and when he fell into the fork part there and hit his head right here. And I mean immediately he do-sagged out like this.
Oh.
I mean, it was huge.
I'd be scared too.
It was Jeremy that I thought would not survive. But it was Jeremy I would have swore would have gotten hurt.
Because he was so rough.
And he never really got hurt, did he?
Nobody was
me
crazy.
Too. Yeah, that was me. I built ramps out of wooden
boys,
planks. I crashed my go-kart into the neighbor's mailbox.
Oh, Lord.
I rode my dirt bike into the... I did break my sister's foot on accident.
You didn't break it, you inflamed it.
Built a roller coaster out of a stroller and I was strolling her down. I messed up because mechanically I'm not very smart. I put this car seat for a 2-year-old and she was like 7 on the front of the stroller so that whenever we hit, like, it was top heavy, so it flung her on the ground and I flew up over.
Wrong.
Yeah, that's what happened. You were in the front and your foot got smashed and I flew there.
The car seat, which
You were heavy.
flung off of the stroller and I rolled and it crushed my foot. And you went
And
over
I
the
flew
stroller.
through the air. So
But you were fine,
That's
so you
the
don't get to talk about it.
We had
that's the
a
scariest story.
Just your
I need 6.5.
update. Me and Emily are going to the lake.
Because we're cool now.
Because now we're old and we can do whatever we want to do.
not lame.
Now it's legal to go to the lake without our parents.
Like it was illegal before.
It was. It must have been. Really, I was this close to like driving to the beach this morning. I thought about it the other day. I said, me and Emily are just going to go to the beach. Emily, let's go.
We're going to go to the
Let's
beach.
go and we'll take pictures.
Yes.
It'll be amazing.
Almost past it.
I refuse to eat at Captain D's. Hello? Because I feel like if I ever get food poisoning, it's going to be at a fast food fish place. I just refuse to go.
Refuse to eat it.
Refuse.
If they had sushi and weird things like that, that's when I wouldn't eat it.
Yeah.
Because that's like when you would get
Yeah,
sick and
I
die.
would never eat
That's
sushi.
when you wouldn't even just get food poisoning, you died.
You would just die.
You wouldn't make it.
Something like that.
I have no idea what I want.
I'm going to put my phone in here so they don't get uncomfortable. But I
Not
want
taking
either.
owner, so maybe.
Yeah, maybe just go up to these fellows.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah, I would just go. See what happens.
I don't go to Chick-fil-A a lot, as you can tell.
I have his exact same charger. Oh, that was exciting.
I have his exact same charger.
Is she from Britain?
I don't think so. She's driving on the same side as us. Is that what you're talking about?
Well, she had like the Britain flag on her. Britain? London? British flag.
The Britain flag. I thought this was a purse, but it's a fanny pack.
Stop. Emily.
But I have to
That
poke
is
another
beautiful.
hole in it. I got it for $12. I have to poke
Where?
a Target. To poke another hole in it because it's too big. Wow. I used to be nervous about drive-thrus, you know. When I
used
first
to
got my
hate
car, I was like,
drive-thrus.
ugh. I think I just discovered like, if I look like an idiot, it's fine.
I go through drive-thrus like every day now.
I just make sure they know that I know that I'm annoying.
I don't know where I am. And we're supposed to be here by
I'm like, I love the bush, like whatever. It's like a gated area, but it's like no one cares.
It's like a majority.
You just have to wait. You just have to wait until someone gets here.
We're not supposed to be here.
Okay. Let me remember where my Nani's RV is.
I love this. Emily had no idea that this was a thing that you were experiencing in your
Yes.
life. Oh, look, there's an empty lot. We should live there.
We should, but we have to buy an RV first.
Yeah, and they're kind of
Because
expensive.
they're expensive. It's so true.
Is that her?
No, it's not.
This is so fun. Oh, I don't want that woman to think I'm videotaping her.
Yeah,
Guys.
this way, I believe.
What if we drown?
Well, hopefully we don't, because this is supposed to be a fun day.
Do you have a way to call them?
I do. I just thought this was it. Call Nani. That's what I thought. I was like, I think I missed her at the RV. Oh, there you are.
Is that your grandmother?
Yeah.
She's gorgeous. She's like a 20-year-old woman.
Hey, Nani.
So we're officially here. We were gonna take my phone.
Hi.
We were gonna try to take my phone, but I know myself too well for that kind of crap. So we're gonna leave it and not take videos in the water because it won't go well.
Yep, because we were hoping to be cute, but
You're so cute. So we're just gonna do this real quick and then we're gonna head out for your
this looks like a really perfect burger. I'm just gonna tell you. I love cheese.
Echo. Emily, do you want to tell the people how we almost got kidnapped today?
There was some freak redneck riding a boat. We thought he was gone. We waved to him. Rachel waved. That was a bad idea.
Oh my God, is that the man I waved to?
She waved to him. He left, and then he
Last
came
time
back
I'd be nice.
and sat behind us because we were just floating in our kayaks on the lake.
He thought I was interested.
He kept looking at us, and so we tried to go away, and then he kept getting closer and closer, and then he went away again. And then he came back and was still following us, so we were kayaking everywhere we went.
so not subtle. We were like, let's act natural.
Pretend like we don't notice it. We're kayaking really hard. My legs were burning, my arms were burning.
so bad.
And
so slow.
everywhere, I'm like, he had a speedboat. And we got out of the kayaks and pulled him up.
Yeah.
We were nervous for a second. It was like a horror movie. You couldn't run fast enough. And then we
died.
got out of the kayaks to go to the bathroom, and he watched us walk all the way to the pool.
I was ready to get him with my paddle.
What were we gonna do? We would have flipped over.
Yeah, we wouldn't have done very good. It'd have to be Jesus.
Oh, Jesus does save.
Jesus does
Jesus
save.
saves, even people in kayaks. You need to where I put my gum or my medicine.
Ew. Oh.
Like, gum in a case. Not chewed up.
I was like, Emily, no. Gum isn't really good for you.
No, it's got aspartame in it. You know what they use that for? The embalming process of people.
What?
Yeah.
Emily, why would you tell me that? Because we're
What
married to
makes so?
Jesus.
That helps me look a little better. This onion is strong. Woo!
I love onion. You know when I was a kid, I used to eat onion. Just like the little nipples of it, I would just eat it
The
straight.
what?
Like,
The nipples.
no! Sicko. Don't grow up.
Reflection from your light to look good.
Oh, you have glasses. Were those the ones you were wearing today?
Yeah, I just put them in there.
Oh my God. How did I miss that?
Do you not have one of those? That's my sunroof.
Sorry. Sorry, it was an accident. Oh my God. Whoa!
And at last I see the light.
You know, like, there are those sewer drain pipes, and they're pretty big, and
yeah.
they, like, go through the yard or whatever. When I was younger in our neighborhood, we had one of those that went from, like, one side of the yard to the other in my friend's neighborhood.
Yeah.
And we were all dared to crawl all the way through it, and I did it.
Oh, that's so dangerous.
It was
Don't do
fun.
anything stupid like that.
Emily, that's so rude.
Doesn't make any sense. Well, one time though, I did believe. I don't even know if I believed. I think I just got freaked out because we walked right back there, and Jacob was like, "Oh my gosh, it's a hobo razor!" and picked something up. This whole time I'm thinking that's a hobo razor.
Oh my
And
God,
2 years later, I'm
it's a hobo
walking around
razor.
I'm walking from the woods on the side of and coming back to the front. And I look at his grill and I see the hobo razor, and it was his grill brush. I was like, oh my gosh, that looks just like the hobo razor.
No. To say that's
But I
atrocious.
didn't believe the blood.
You should put that on t-shirts. Oh my god, it's a hobo razor. Is it locked like that? Oh my god.
Doesn't really.
But when I was younger, our neighborhood was a scary place full of a bunch of scary people, and a lot of them were older than us. And there were these two kids. And they were huge. We just knew that they were the kids in the neighborhood that were a little crazy. They would walk around, but it was like a big block of wood with nails sticking out of it. And they would just walk around the neighborhood. And I remember when me and Jeremy would be outside, we would see them walking down the street and we'd run inside. What?
I have a good Southern Belle accent when I get tired. Hold
Really?
on. Yeah. I think it's pretty good. I just live right next to Little Old Vic Dash Park.
Emily, that's really nice!
I want to date him. I want to marry him. Have sweet little old baby child with him and love him all my life. That life part was bad, but I found that out one day. I was driving home and I was just talking to myself.
I'm just real country. I don't do
You
the Southern
should.
Belle
That
thing.
literally is Southern.
That's mine.
the old Southern.
That's my natural state of being. I'm Southern.
That was like Sandy Cheeks from SpongeBob.
I'm Southern. No, I'm Dirty Dan.
Sometimes if I'm tired enough, I can do a good Scottish accent.
I can do a British one.
Sometimes I can do Australian pretty well if I'm well prepared. Like, there was one time when I was working at Panera, an Australian guy came in and he asked for a bacon turkey bravo and a strawberry banana smoothie. And he was like, I'd like a bacon turkey bravo and a strawberry banana smoothie.
Emily, who are you? This is beautiful. I can do a good old man.
You can.
I'm really proud of it.
And
British is just, it's who I am. It comes out all the time. I think British is really easy, but maybe it's not. Who?
Wonderful good game.
Yoo-hoo. Thanks to my blowout. You're so confident with your yoo-hoo.
Yeah, you just gotta be a yoo-hoo.
Yoo-hoo.
Oh! Remember when you called it angina? That is not even remotely what it is.
Angina is stomach,
No,
is chest pain.
But it's not chest gurgly noises.
Doesn't matter. I just like the word.
Angina.
I just like the word.
Sounds like you're saying ant.
Mm.
Vagina.
I was literally about to say that. I
Yeah.
can do a British lisp.
I just hid myself back up the mountains and took myself right up the mountains. I can do it.
One old time.
One old time,
I just took myself up them mountains and I shot
Redneck.
a rabbit.
Does Elmer Fudd say, that wabbit? I
Ducky.
shot that wabbit. Say it again.
Wabbit season.
So Southern Belle at heart, apparently. And a Midwestern's body.
But what's a buggy?
Not a shopping cart.
Yes, it is.
You know what I learned why they call it buggies is because the company that made them around here was called Buggies.
Whoa. It's a buggy.
No, it's not. If you look at Kroger's, even here it says, please return carts.
It doesn't matter.
It's a cart
And
rack.
it's souls.
Is it called a buggy rack?
buggy.
No.
If you go into the soul,
You go ahead and you Google
I will
buggy.
not.
Worse
I
than
know.
buggy. I
Google
will.
it right now. B-U-G-G-Y.
I know how to spell buggy, Rachel. Dune buggy.
No, the horror! I'm infuriated. Why does the world not know?
Baby buggy?
This is sexist.
That doesn't make sense.
Yes, it does.
You want to know what cart comes up with? Not a Carter's. I don't even shop there. A cart is a vehicle designed for transport using two wheels and normally pulled by one or a pair of draught animals. A hand cart is pulled or pushed by one or more people.
That's just nonsense. You go in the grocery store and then your mom would get mad and you say, put your hand on the car. The buggy, as we would say, but you wouldn't say that.
Yeah, buggies for horses.
Say, like, Rachel, put your hand on the buggy.
Horses.
So upsetting. Well, me and Jeremy would like to punch each other.
Oh, you were the kids that you hated to take to the store.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, oh my God. That makes me happy.
No! So many good good memories. So we hung out every day. We hung out every day. Look at us. Oh. No, but that video of me.
Nearly didn't fall out enough.
We're gonna drown! Okay, this is what it looks like. I don't know how to re-rate ours. Okay. I fell asleep at the wheel. Are we doomed?
Okay, it's 10:43 right now. No, we're not doomed. I think it's gonna stop.
You think so? You think it's just passing over? It's just passing through. Let me see.
Malia, you're so funny. I love it. Hey, Malia, is it raining? Oh, let me go check. 2, 1. Okay. Don't be nervous. This is your debut. Lord, we need you to. Really hard. Oh my God. Where did that come from?
I now dub thee Sir Toe Mater. Get the purse.
Oh, I have my wallet.
Oh, I thought you said we all left our wallets in the
But
car.
I don't know how much money I have in my account. I really don't. No one brought their wallet but me.
What is this?
Is it just a joke?
I didn't mean it. It's mochi, Japanese ice cream.
I thought it was
$1.69
donuts.
for one.
What?
It's ice cream.
I thought it was donuts.
It's in a freezer.
It's ice cream?
Yes,
the
it says
front
please use
door.
tongs.
It's
frozen.
How interesting. Are you
Why
having
is it so
a
little?
Ooh. Oh my God.
One time I ate carrot cake and it had a giant chunk of carrot in it.
I love carrot cake.
That's what it is. I never ate it again. No, because most carrot cake doesn't.
Ooh, we
This
could
had
get
a
like
ginormous
a piece of cheesecake, like just one that's, if they have
If
that.
we're gonna do that, we could go to Cheesecake Factory.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
It's literally across the street.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yes. Rachel, know where you're at.
I never know where I'm at.
Mango key lime. Mango key lime.
Melo me lime.
Next,
the
three
fish.
flavors: strawberry
Ew.
chocolate. Some kid was like, "Oh, look, Mom, I'm making fake food," and they
Mama
shoved
put
it in a
rice
box
in a
and sold it.
bucket
I'm
and
feeling
put
like I'm
water
having
on
a
it.
heart
Look,
attack.
I'm
making dinner with leaves and dirt and a stick.
Oh no, my chest hurts.
Don't do that.
I'm sorry.
These nuts. Oh my God.
Diet. Oh, shut the front door.
About that.
It's that
What is it say?
Wait, it's sausage. It's sausage. That makes it even better. I put this on YouTube. That woman.
Meat bites.
That woman was looking right at us.
She knows already. She thought it was funny.
Made fun of her food.
Oh wait, I gotta get Sprite before we go. I'm surrounded by psychos. Please, can we get it? Please. What is it?
Your own cookies.
Oh, look at little dinosaur.
I'm buying it.
Getting
$7.99. That's too much money for that.
That's about
stale
$6
cookie?
million.
Stale
I
dinosaur.
have pancake mix at the house and Star Wars pancake molds.
Right now?
And syrup. She has Miss Butterworth
And I have
syrup.
And I have powdered sugar and strawberries.
What the heck are we doing here?
I
I do want a Sprite though before we leave.
Yeah.
I'm the only one who brought my wallet, and I think it's a sick joke. Bunch of freeloaders. You hold the camera. You can. So we can't even turn it around. It's called a basket on
Something.
that one.
It's broken. Go on the other side. I used to come here all the time, Rachel.
Food City.
No, I'm doing.
Do you have any coupons? Select your
Heck
method of
no.
payment from the choices shown
We
below.
don't use coupons.
Idiots.
If you have money. Hey. What if it spit it out? I'd spit like that.
Please grab your bags, take your change, and your receipt.
Thank you.
Ma, do I still have my mom's card?
Junky cheese.
Chunky cheese. Ew. Oh no, that's my card. Okay.
Chunky cheese. Like cottage cheese.
Like
curds.
Jeremy.
Please place the bag.
Wow, I feel lonely.
You feel what?
Lonely.
Yeah, you should be.
Lonely.
You don't want to get sassy
Bunch
at
of
night,
crud.
Rachel.
Just remember, I'm driving you back. No! You have hair in your mouth. But you'd have to get up. Okay. You can
Look,
if you
look,
need to.
look. What you did. You can't.
Well,